Maxwell unified the theories of electricity and magnetism by deducing four important equations which was developed by Gauss, Ampere and Faraday with Maxwell's concept of displacement current. And these equations are called Maxwell's equations, and these equations cannot be derived since they are the fundamental axioms or postulates of electrodynamics obtained with the help of generalization of experimental results. And this equation can be represented as, the first one is del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon 0. This is Gauss's law in electrostatics. And the second one is del dot D is equal to 0. This is Gauss's law in magnetism. And the third one is del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. This is Faraday's law. And the fourth one is del cross B is equal to mu 0 J plus mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E by dou T. This is Ampere's law with Maxwell's correction. Ampere's law with Maxwell's correction. Maxwell's correction. These are the four equations which are known as the Maxwell's equation. And the first law states that del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon 0. So whenever there is a Q charge, there is an E. That is, E cannot exist without a charge Q. Or any charge will create an electric field. A charge distribution always generates an electric field. That is first law. And the second equation states that B is always a closed line. That is, the magnetic lines are closed. There is no south pole or north pole. As in the case of an electric field charge, as you can see, the electric field direction is from positive to negative. So there is no separate poles. That is, the magnetic monopoles do not exist according to the Maxwell's second equation. Then the third equation states that del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. That is, an electric field can be generated by a time varying magnetic field. So whenever there is a change in B, it will create an E. According to Faraday's equation, we know that the Faraday's equation, the EMF induced is equal to the change in the magnetic flux. This is Faraday's equation. So whenever there is a change in magnetic flux, there is a change in, there is a voltage induced in it, or there is an induced current will be produced, or the current means it is the motion of charges. Then whenever there is a charges, there is an electric field. So that is the equation 3. And the fourth equation which states that del cross B is equal to mu 0 J plus mu 0 epsilon 0 dou E by dou T. That is, the first part is Ampere's law with a small correction which was made by the Maxwell. So it shows that the magnetic field is generated by a time varying electric field. Here we can introduce one term, it is called displacement current. So this displacement current is the time derivative of the electric flux density. It is called the displacement current. And these are the four equations and known as the Maxwell's equation. This equation can explain all the phenomena in electromagnetism.